right, people, I wanted to make a quick video here to show you when you start up your Honda Civic, there's a message on your screen on the radio when you enter the vehicle. When you get it from Honda, it originally says the word welcome as it comes across the radio when you first start up your radio, start up the vehicle and the radio comes on. You can change that message to say anything you want it to say. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's real quick and real simple. First, we're just going to turn the car to the first click, which will just power on just the radio. Mine right there says welcome. We're going to change that. So from this point, you just want to turn your radio off. Power is off on the radio. Now with one hand, you want to press both buttons, the tune folder button and your power button at the same time. Now it allows you to adjust and change the welcome message. All right, from here, we're going to change the message to, I'm sorry, got to do this quickly. We're going to change it to hold on. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to use this knob here to change the letters. You're going to use the arrow to the right. And when you change this to just a lower dash, it ends up being just a blank sign. So we're going to change this. All right, now it says hold on with all those lower dashes. From here, we're just going to turn this off, turn the car off. And now, hopefully when you turn it on, it'll welcome you. And now it says hold on. As simple as that. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you'd like, subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. And I'm going to keep uploading a few other Honda Civic videos here to help you guys out here in the near future. So thanks a lot.